What's up? What's up, ladies and gentlemen? It's your boy Vussy Megs again, back with another vlog. Today is FMAS day 1. It's Thursday today, so I think day 2 is about to be tomorrow. Saturday is the 3205 seminar. You make sure you guys pull up. So today I'm gonna catch up with you guys and show you what's happening with this FMAS thing. It's actually my first FMAS. Yeah, I missed the one for last year. I wasn't really feeling it, but this year I'm excited to see what's happening. Guys, messing with the drip. You like my drip? What you talking about? You like my drip? Yeah, I'm saying, I don't know. Today I'm going with the Scully. The hair is a little too much near. So today we're doing it the Scully way. You know what I'm saying? We're doing it the Scully way. So yeah, I'm gonna catch up with you guys when I get there. I'm gonna show you guys everybody else who's there. I don't know. Let me know in the comment section what you think we're about to see at the event and such. Another vlog coming. I'm late on editing, but I'm gonna try my best to drop a vlog before I drop this one. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one. Well, yeah, ladies and gentlemen, FMAS 2025 is packed. It's a maza. I'll be surprised if you niggas can even hear me. I forgot my microphone, but I'm gonna fill you guys in and show you guys what's happening today and what to expect. How's it, bro? Maybe that's part of the game was blowing. Let's up mouth. Wait. Easy. Guys, you won't believe who I just spotted. You won't believe who I just spotted. The number one ADB of foreign. I'll see if I can snipe him in the vlog in a little bit. But let's see who else is here. Miss Megs is here. Megan, hello. What's up? 3205 in the building. Oh, the Bruelas, the Boysins. The Boysins. Mauti. And I find the building.
It's nothing personal.
Why not?
Yeah. Thank you so much.
The ring it Oh, you're looking smart, ninja way. What's up, my brother? Away. The boys in. So that's back in the building. We're along, bro. Away. Omonat.
What's up? Did you hear you missing out, my friend?
Nah, it's packed, man.
It's packed.
Yo.
Good turnout though, well done.
Yeah.
Trying to recruit, you know?
We don't have to try. No. We never try. Hey, guys.
Just making him know. The
Yeah.
best broker is here.
The best broker is here.
In style.
Hey. 360 from the Queen of 245. Thank you, Megs. Sure. Yo guys, you guys are gonna have to bear with me for this video because as you can tell the sound is a bit trash because I forgot my microphone, but I had to tag it out and just make the vlog for you guys so you can see what's up, because I actually missed out on the FMAS 24, which was last year in Sandton, but this year happened to be at the same time I'm in Cape Town, so I had to take the opportunity to go there and share the experience with y'all so we can all go and see what's happening. So as you can see, man, there's a lot of stalls, like a lot of brokers that you would see on Instagram, your YouTubes and all that, on sponsored ads, or actually here I saw a couple of brokers, even XM, even though they scam our withdrawals, so saw them, but hey man, nonetheless. You're too much.
I can't miss you.
You're too much, Wizzy. What's happening? Which one? You're too much.
I'm chilling.
Which one? What are trading what?
Trading pro, guys. Trading pro, trade like a pro. Also have a pro firm, guys.
It's a pro firm.
If there's anyone,
or
there's any guy that you want to speak to about pro firm or being a or training like a pro, come to me.
Where can they find you on social media?
On Instagram, Siabonga. But my full name is Siabonga Makatini. And then also LinkedIn, on
I'm
Twitter.
gonna put your handle, Instagram handle.
On Twitter, it's Makatini. Yeah, come guys, let's work.
Let's work. Shout out to C in the building. Rydal, man. What's up, man? What's up, bro? Hey. How's it going, my man?
I have no complaints, man.
Hey, bro, you look tall in person. What the fuck, bro? Oh, no.
You guys don't read the comments where people say they met me and I'm taller.
Hey, this bro is tall, Hey. Nice to see you, bro.
Nice to meet you, my bro. How are you doing, Vussy?
No, I'm nice, and you?
I have no complaints, my bro.
But people want to slap you for 10K. What's happening?
My bro, that's just something I was checking. Look,
you're so comfortable. You're chill.
My bro, anyone can come. Like
anyone can come.
If we split it, we can split it. They'll even stand nicely for the club there. But now, Vussy, the problem is. If Jason can't pay his shit, how is gonna pay our 10K, my guy?
You see the problem?
Because then I don't even let you clap me now and we split the 10K, 5K.
But the question is, what's the question? You say the question. The problem
can the
is.
man pay us?
Away, right? I'll need to see you, bro.
Same, my bro.
Sure. We'll talk.
We must definitely link up sometime for content. Definitely.
Guys, you heard it from Rydal himself. I will talk, my bro.
No problem.
Shout out. Sure. Shortly after Rydal, I'm now reunited with Ndamsi in the building.
Say less, say no more.
Say no more.
The president is seeing people here. He's about to give the State of the Nation address after that.
Later.
He's hoping.
Guys, we've pretty much seen everyone we're supposed to see. I'm gonna quickly do a dash to the. Hey, you guys gotta see this. What is that? I'm gonna quickly do a dash to the hotel so I can edit this and drop it same time.
We didn't realize.
So I'm going now to the hotel to edit and drop this. See you guys later.